Which gaming mouse is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we've got 5 gaming mice under $30 that won't break the bank, but will definitely elevate your gaming experience. Product number 1, BENGOO Gaming Mouse. Let's kick off with the BENGOO Gaming Mouse. Priced at just $9.49, this mouse is a bestseller for a reason. If you want an affordable option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. The BENGOO boasts 4 adjustable DPI settings, ranging from 1200 to 3600. Plus, the 6 programmable buttons let you tailor your controls for different games, so you're always ready for action. And let's not forget the RGB lighting that gives it that cool gaming vibe. Now, some users have mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's hard to expect premium materials. It's a solid entry-level mouse that performs well, especially if you're just starting out or gaming casually. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or just want a simple, functional gaming mouse. Skip this one if you're a hardcore gamer looking for top-tier performance. For less than $10, it offers fantastic value. Product number 2, Logitech G305. Next up is the Logitech G305, priced at $29.99. This mouse caught my eye with its impressive features for the price. If you want a reliable wireless option that doesn't compromise on performance, this deserves your attention. What makes the G305 stand out is its Hero sensor, which offers up to 12,000 DPI sensitivity. Plus, with 250 hours of battery life on just one AA battery, it's a worry-free choice for long gaming sessions. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and it even has onboard memory for saving your settings. However, some users have mentioned that the mouse can feel a bit small for larger hands. But honestly, if you're comfortable with a compact design, you'll likely appreciate its lightweight and easy portability. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a wireless mouse with great battery life and performance. Skip this one if you have larger hands or prefer a bulkier feel. For just under $30, it's a solid investment in your gaming setup. Product number 3, Redragon M612 Predator. Now let's check out the Redragon M612 Predator, retailing for $15.89. This one really caught my attention because of its extensive features at a budget price. If you want a mouse packed with programmable options, this is worth considering. The M612 comes with 11 programmable buttons, allowing you to customize your controls to fit your gaming style. It also offers 5 DPI levels up to 8,000, so you can adjust sensitivity based on the game you're playing. The RGB backlighting adds a fun flair to your setup, and the ergonomic design means you can game for hours without discomfort. That said, some users pointed out that the software can be a bit clunky for setting up the button configurations. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the customization available is fantastic and really enhances your gameplay. This is perfect for you if you love customizing your gaming experience with lots of buttons. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with software setup or prefer a simpler mouse. At this price, you're definitely getting a lot of bang for your buck. Product number 4, Acer Wired Gaming Mouse. Coming up next is the Acer Wired Gaming Mouse, priced at $18.98. This mouse stood out to me because of its comfort and performance features. If you're looking for something ergonomic that won't let you down during long sessions, this could be a great choice. With a DPI of up to 12,800, this mouse caters to gamers who need quick and precise movements. It features 8 programmable buttons, so you can set it up just the way you like. The RGB lighting adds a stylish touch, and the design is specifically made for medium hands, providing a comfortable grip during intense gameplay. However, some users have noted that the cable feels a bit stiff, which can hinder movement. But honestly, if you're focused on performance, the wired connection provides a reliable experience without worrying about battery life. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and performance in your gaming sessions. Skip this one if you dislike wired mice or need a mouse designed for larger hands. It's a great option that balances comfort and functionality at a reasonable price. Product number 5, Razer DeathAdder Essential. Finally, we have the Razer DeathAdder Essential, priced at $24.99. This is a well-known gaming mouse that many swear by. If you're looking for a classic design with reliable performance, you should definitely consider this one. The DeathAdder features a precision 6400 dpi optical sensor, so you can adjust sensitivity quickly with dedicated DPI buttons. It's designed for comfort, with a shape that fits most hands perfectly, which makes it ideal for longer gaming sessions. Plus, it has durable mechanical switches that can handle up to 10 million clicks. Some users have reported that it lacks some of the more advanced features found in higher-end models like customizable RGB lighting. But here's the thing. If you want a straightforward, effective mouse that just works, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable, no-frills gaming mouse that performs well. Skip this one if you're after highly customizable features or a lightweight design. For just under $25, you're getting a trusted brand with solid performance. So there you have it. The BNG00 for budget gamers, the Logitech G305 for wireless enthusiasts, the Raydragon M612 for customization lovers, the Acer for ergonomic comfort, and the Razer DeathAdder for reliability. Each offers something unique while sticking to that under $30 price point. No matter what you choose, you're getting a great value for your gaming experience.